Hey, what's up? It's Brianna. I'm sure you know that. But yeah. So, haven't been on YouTube in a while since last summer with Tess. Oh god. This is different not having Tess with me for a YouTube video. It's different making a YouTube video by yourself. I don't know what to do. Wait. I can show you my ringtones. Tell me what I wanna hear. Tell me you love me. Yeah, that was pretty awesome. Y'all heard me sing. Well, that's the last time that's gonna happen. Yeah. So, how are y'all? I'm pretty good. Yeah, pretty good. Another ringtone for you. Hold on. You take my breath away with everything you say. I just wanna be with you, my baby, my babe. Oh, oh, promise I'll play no games. Treat you no other way. I'm just gonna stop myself right there before I embarrass myself because I cannot sing. My hair is like getting in my way. But yeah. So I'm gonna go because I just wasted like 2 minutes of y'all's life with boringness of showing y'all my Justin Bieber ringtones, which is okay. It's pretty lame, but it's cool. I'm 17 and I like Justin Bieber. Yeah, get over it. Alright, I'm gonna go. Um, Hopefully, next time I make one a YouTube video, it will be more entertaining because Tess will be here and I'll have something to talk about. Bye.